Yo yo yo, what is up my dudes? Okay, so today we are making big numbers smaller using the number 10 and a power. So basically let's take let's take a really big number. I don't know how many zeros that is. Actually I think I should make that a little smaller. So basically what you're gonna do is take the first non-zero numbers. So 6942, and then you're going to multiply it by 10 to the power of however many zeros there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you can see, it's the exact same number. So there you go, that's how you make big numbers small. Now, the reason why I chose a very small number is because let's see what happens when I try to make this identical to that. Alright, so same thing, both non-zero numbers are the same. It's just that there's more zeros, so let's count all the zeros. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So that would be 10 to the power of 18. So that basically turns that into this. So let's multiply it by 2. And then let's multiply this by 2. As you can see, it's the same, but like, it just wouldn't be a good demonstration. So yeah, that's how you make big numbers small. And enjoy your math class now that you understand this, hopefully.